wall broke!
We're going too fast!
Help! Somebody help!
Urgency!
All units respond to the breach.
Command, we have a code red. A breach in Sector 7 Delta.
I feel it. A sharp pain. Response teams are on their way.
Everyone, remain calm. Help is on the way. Excellent work, team. Let's get this hole closed. Seal the breach. Now, now, now. Moving. Clear the area. We need those fibroblasts moving now. Our pathway is clear again!
Command, the vessel wall repair is complete. The patch is stable and the fibroblasts are standing down. We are secure.
Mission complete, sir. The breach is secure.
Well done, officer. Pain is lessening. External support is now arriving.